The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Barry, good morning. Ed, good morning. Thank you. Sound is good. Richard, thank you. Good morning, guys. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Happy hump day, fellas. Today, of course, is Wednesday, October 16th. We are now halfway through the month of October, barreling toward Christmas, which seems to me to be incredibly crazy. In any event, guys, good morning. We had a fairly decent day trading yesterday with order flow and again with the Algos, which finished green. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. I want to say good morning to my buddy Don, who is in town. I don't know if he's on yet, but I will have one of our members will be joining me for the next 3 days. He is in town with his lovely wife, Michelle. So Don will be here about 9 o'clock, and he's going to sit and trade with me for the morning. Anybody that has taken the order flow class or would like to take the order flow class or would like to sit with me, you guys are welcome to come to Chattanooga. I'm not sure if anyone knows that, but I've had many members over the years, good morning, Hubba, come to my home and sit with me for a day to a week. In any event, very good morning. You're moving in? All right, let's go. Good morning, Amin. Blessings, Michael. Let's go. Just bring some Weller. In any event, let's first look at order flow. No, I don't. I don't. Thank you, Kevin. Volume is low currently. We're down about 10,000 contracts after yesterday's fairly significant push lower. My opinion is we're not done selling, but we'll see. Small net negative delta at the moment. Thank you, Dan. Small net negative delta, 300 contracts. As far as news today, I don't think we have anything of any real interest. We have no news. How about that? Nothing. Not only have no interest, we have nothing. And I have no scheduled speakers today, which doesn't mean we won't get one. But no scheduled speakers today. Tomorrow, the advanced retail sales will be interesting tomorrow because I think that'll give us a look into any future rate cuts, what they may be, if in fact there are any. I will talk about it tomorrow, but I would think if retail sales comes in inordinately high, I think that will dampen the rate cut talk. Goolsby will speak tomorrow, but as we're leaving the room, so nothing today and nothing tomorrow in any event, other than retail sales. Let's read the disclaimer and get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. That's it. We broke 330. YM is going to, let's see here, gold breaking 2,700. Russell kind of holding, ES breaking down. There's target on the ES algo, trade number 1. If you took the short, I told you we wouldn't hold 42 again. If you took the short, hold it. Let me look at a daily to see what we're coming. Daily is back into the turning line. That'll break. If we hit yesterday's low, we get the 20-day moving average at 230, which we probably will break. I think we're coming 170 today. I would need a bounce back up to 340 at this point to try to find a short. I don't short bottoms. If you're not short, you're going to have to wait. ES algo, today is the 16th. One trade, one winner, 150 high water mark. For those of you guys that are on trial, the ES only trades one contract, just so you guys know. All right, I'm looking to short on a pullback now, 30.31. If we get back up there, I'll short 30.
Order submitted.
I'm pending a 30 short. Got a fair amount of buyers in here. We didn't get 30, but see if we get it. Down, fail, come on. That was the break of structure, that 30. So if we pop back up there, I'm assuming that will hold. We're not going to get there.
Order canceled.
This is going to break down to 90, 90 half. If you short bottoms, this is a short. 92 is target 1. I don't sell bottoms, so not a trade for me, but 92 is target 1. 90 half goes, we get 78. There's your target. You got 92 to the tick.
Order submitted.
Yes, Algo just fired along, which I can't agree with, but we'll let it play out. I don't agree with the trade. Break of 90 takes you to 78 if you're short. Any bounce here. I don't even have a place to get in anymore, guys. I mean, you can try the shorts here on a break below 84, but I have nowhere to get in. We've broken down out of my zones. This area is now resistance. Come on, don't you do that. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. Target one's hit all the way around. Now I'm just holding one. All right. Algo 3-3, up 310. One trade. 3-1, up 285. Nice job, Frank. And we haven't gotten first target yet here or on the 500 tick. 500 tick missed maybe by, there it is. 500 tick got target one. And Algo 3-2, target one hit. All right, 385 on the 500 tick, 290, and all right, 475. We don't want this back above 300. I'm going to take this. Nah, I'm going to hold it. The hell with it. I'm going to run it. Let me just update. Trade any runners as you see fit, guys. 285. So 3-1, 1-1. What did I say? 285? 285. All right. I closed out my runner, guys. All right. 5 minute, you can sell 09. I need 09. Damn it. Didn't get there. We got 7/4. Took off one. Come on. Come on. Took two off. Come on, sellers. Kill them. Holding some support here. I want it to hold this 5 minute downtrend line. Come on, break lower. Let's go. Need to catch that swing here at 38. Or else I'm going flat. I'm watching this to go flat unless we catch that 38. It's holding a 5 minute trend line. Come on. 38. Bust it out. It's trying to pop. No buyers. Come on. 70 sellers, 60 sellers, 70, 64. No buyers trying. We're sitting on the 20-day moving average. That's why we're not going anywhere. 21 is 50-day. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break. Break that 5-minute swing. There we go. All right. I'm flat, guys. 2 trades. Good day. The pressure, guys, is 48.49 on the 5-minute. Anybody have any questions? 54, of course, being yesterday's low. 21 area, 21 being the 20-day. We have to pop the 20-day moving average. Anybody have any questions? I still think we're coming to 171 for those of you guys that are. I'd like to see a retracement now to near 60 on the 5-minute. This is where we go long. We just flipped.
Order cancel. Order cancel.
Target one and hit and trailing stop tagged up 825. All right. Now we have buyers, guys. So I'm looking for a pullback now and then a long. Oh, no crude inventory today. I forgot about the holiday. Let me go back and look at crude. Tomorrow's inventory. All right, so now I need a pullback. I've got a double bottom here. I need a pullback, and then I'll take a break of the high. And I have a target now at 292.
Target filled.
That's cool. Oh, look at that. ES got target. I'll be damned. Profit target hit on ES. 2 for 2 on the ES, up 300. Imagine what a little volatility will do. 2, 2, 300. Okay. 3.2 isn't a long. I don't. This could pull back here. It's pushing 5-minute resistance. I think it's a scalp short. There are buyers. If it gets through 66, it's going to get to 76, and I think we get to 91. Needs to push through 70, 69, 70. For those of you guys here, here's your algo on 3-2. It should get that target, guys. Oh, come on, don't pull back. It just pushed through the top of that resistance. Come on, Chief, fired up. Here we go. Come on, one more push. It should get 76 and a quarter. It should get that first target. I don't like that little consolidation there. Got buyers. We're down to 1,400 net sellers. Next 3-minute bar is coming in 7 seconds. Buyers back in.
Order canceled.
Target hit. Auto trail is on. We're into resistance here with buyers down below 1,400 net sellers. Now the shorts are really trapped. Come on, keep pushing. There we go.
Order canceled.
1,095 on 3.2. Two, 1095. Anybody have any questions? I am going to sell 3.9 to 3.15 if we get there. I think we can get back to 3.12, which is VWAP. 3.13 VWAP. That's the area I'm looking to short on a 5-minute block. Yes, missed that target by one stinking tick. One tick. Come on, get that trade.
Target
There it is.
Order canceled.
Target hit on the 500 tick as well. Three for three on the ES. 3 trades, 3 winners, 450.
Order canceled.
Targets hit. 500 tick now up 1370. He's a bad mamma jamma. We went through that. We're holding that little support at 13. We need to break below that. If we can get to 11, it probably craters. Sellers are back in. 6 is going to be some support. I don't know if it gets that first target. 6 is support.
Order canceled.
Never mind. Another winning trade.
Order canceled.
Up 1830 on the 500 tick. You guys that are on trial, if you want automation, we got it. There's another winning trade on the 500 tick.
Order canceled.
It's up 2170 today. We're coming down, guys. We're getting a little choppy, but we're coming down. We held one standard, same move as we had earlier today in the pre-market, that one standard deviation. We need to get below 60. Let me just see where. Yeah, we're below value area low. This should just, next 2-minute bar is in 4 seconds. 54,254 is yesterday's low.
Order submitted.
ES just sold on, let's see here, guys. ES just took a short on the algo. We're coming down, guys. 54 may bounce at once, but we're coming down to 233. 233. We're gonna dink around yesterday's low, which is kind of what we're holding here, but 233 is where it's coming. Maybe 210. 233 will be the first area of support. We're trying to push below that low from yesterday again. We're holding some monthly support. Come on, give me 233. Let's go. Come on, jump. Sellers are squeezing here. We're back up to 1600. Got to get below 54. Hanging on by a thread. Man, this can actually go back up a ways. 70, that 77 support, this can go back to. Not long, Eric. There's not a lot to it. YM is coming down. Yep. No target. No target. I don't think it's going far, but it doesn't want to bust out. 500 buyers in here. Sellers are pressing here. I'll add into this trade, guys, if I have to. This could go back to 320. This could, it's always the last trade.
Order filled.
All right, I added into it. My average is now 93 and 75. Come on down, chump. They're still buying them. They're buying the holy bejeepers out of them. All right, I'm going to kill it if this doesn't bust back down here quickly. It's always the last trade, guys. Back to VWAP. Come on. Come on, fail here. Come on. Give me some sellers. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, dog. Now shoot yourself in the head. All right, I'm flat. Take a $300 loss. That's it. Here's my day, guys. 15-15. And I think it comes down. Probably back down to 85 anyways. This 5-minute zone was 90 to 12. So a 22 handle zone of resistance. And it pushed up to 7. There's the trade. Here comes, it should break down. Now it would have been a monster trade. My average was 83. I'd be up 10 handles on 9 contracts, $1,800. But that zone, that sell zone on a 5-minute is a whole lot bigger than it is on a 1-minute. On the 1-minute, I had it from 300 to 311. Nice job, Earl. For those of you guys that are on trial, I try to trade transparently. And given that we're almost 11 o'clock, anybody that followed, I didn't want to take a bust and have you guys, lose money in the last trade. But I do think this is going to fail. It traded up into 5-minute resistance. Again, on a 5-minute chart, it's a whole lot bigger a zone. And it just pushed close to the top. So in any event, we're about done for the day here, guys. Does anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? Is there anybody that did not make money?
Order submitted.
The bots, or the algos, I should say, will continue to run until noon, right? So I'm going to let them run. I'll shut off the 500 tick for the day. That's up 2,170. I will shut off Algo 3.2 for the day. That's up 1,095. I'm going to let 3.1, which is up 285, trade, and 3.3, which is up 310, trade. Order flow wise, I'll finish the room today at 15:15 here. And then in Buell Knox, I've done 795 on one account. And on my trade copier, I've done 915 and 945. So pretty good day trading order flow. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to email me.